Welcome to another crypto portfolio video, and I've not done one in these while, and a lot of people have been requesting for me to do one, and I'm going to be doing one finally. And yeah, it's been a pretty rough time with crypto. If anyone's in crypto, if anyone has exposure, you will know that crypto has been very rough, I guess. Like, it's not been going well at all. And yeah, I just wanted to give you an update, and it's very different to the previous one in the sense of the size of the portfolio. And yeah, let's get right into this video. So the first coin I've got in the portfolio here, as you can see, is KASPA. And KASPA, well, it's been it's not had the best time, and I'm down 17% on this. My average cost is 12, nearly 13 cents pretty much. And as you can see, I bought some on the 6th of February, and I believe I bought at about 8 cents. I actually put a buy alert in my Discord, so in the channel, so whoever's on the buys and sells channel, you'll see that I ended up buying KASPA at 8 cents. Obviously, if you want to check that out, link in the description. It's the buys and sells group for $4.99, and you get to see like what I'm end up buying. Obviously, it's not financial advice, it's just exactly what I'm buying, and you get to see in real time when I buy or sell anything, either stocks or crypto. And yeah, I ended up buying at 8 cents with KASPA because it was so low. Like, I was thinking I need to average down, and KASPA in general has just been having a bad time. And we'll have a look at the chart. As you can see, in the last 30 days, 90 days and a year, like, it's down 40% on the year. And yeah, it's pretty much traded sideways in some sense as well. If you did buy last year, it's kind of just been that kind of flat kind of, it's just not really had much price movement. But there was a point where it went to 21 cents in August of 2024. So yeah, it's one of those where I think KASPA is like the best tech in crypto. Like, if you know anything about KASPA, it's just insane, the tech that it's got. And it solves the trilemma, the crypto trilemma. And also, the whole point of cryptocurrency is a currency. It's a digital currency, and KASPA is that solution, in my opinion. And it's the first block DAG, meaning it's not a blockchain. So blockchains, they go in a chain. Every block is a chain. And a block DAG means it can produce loads of different blocks in one go. And that means transactions can literally be sped up. And the fact it's a proof of work, so it can only be mined, just like Bitcoin, is great. So you can't have like these companies that, let's say Solana and Ethereum, they can't just create more coins. Like, that's just not a thing. Like, they can create more coins, whereas KASPA, they can't. Like, there's going to be a limited supply at one point. And I think KASPA is just one of those coins that in time people will recognize what KASPA is, what it can do. And I think it'll be one of those future cryptos that will be in the top 3, in my opinion. I don't see why KASPA and Bitcoin can be the leading cryptos in the space. So that's my belief, and that's where I think KASPA could be going, and that's why I'm holding on, and that's why I've got probably quite a large amount of KASPA. So Bittensor, the next one, I am up 61% on this. This has actually also gone down. I was a lot higher than this at one point. I think it was $700 and something a coin. It's now sitting around 400. But as you can see, I am slowly getting TAO, but that's because I'm staking TAO. So I'm slowly just getting a bit of a few TAO as the days go on, I guess. Every day I'm getting a bit of TAO. And yeah, so it's also bringing my net average down, because it's like I'm not paying for it to get more coins. But yeah, I've got 23.46 TAO. And let's have a look at the graph. So with TAO, in the last 7 days, it's gone up 17%, and I believe that's because of the news of it going on Coinbase. So as you can see here, Coinbase will now add support for Bittensor TAO on the Bittensor network. So it is going to be going on to Coinbase on the 20th of February, which is the day I'm actually filming this. So it's not had a crazy spike, but it did react well on the news when Coinbase said it's now going on Coinbase. So the fact that TAO is now going to be on Coinbase is great because Coinbase is the biggest exchange in crypto. So hopefully we can see a bit of a run up, and now everyone can buy Bitcoin, Bittensor, and then hopefully there's more adoption with it. Next one, we got Rightstream. We're down 30%. I've not really been thinking about most of the other coins I've got at the moment. Like I said, it's interesting how crypto's working at the moment, because the last bull run for a start, and a lot of people saying it's the bull run over. I personally don't think it is. I think this is just a bit of a shakeout, and then end of this year will be the crazy bull run that everyone knows, and it will be mad really. But it's interesting because a lot of the micro alts have just not done anything. Like gaming hasn't done anything. Nothing that's got like them type of coins used to really take off in the previous bull runs when I was in it, and it's just not happening this time around. It's just really not. Like your meme coins have big time, but anything to do with anything outside of the meme coins, like gaming coins for example, they just haven't taken off. And maybe they will, maybe they won't, but yeah, got $510 in Rightstream, and we'll see how that does. Got a bit of Bitcoin. Should have put all my money in Bitcoin. 141% I'm up in Bitcoin, and I do want to get more exposure in Bitcoin, and I think that's something I'll think about and concentrate after the bull run, because historically everything crashes. But this time around it might be different because of the fact that institutions are buying up Bitcoin. There's such a limited supply with Bitcoin, and it'll be interesting to see if it doesn't really drop as much this time around and all the other coins do. But yeah, it'd be interesting to see what happens with Bitcoin. But I do want more exposure, don't get me wrong, big time, I really do. Hopefully I can profit well on like TAO and a bit of KASPA and put it into Bitcoin. But then saying that with KASPA, I'm planning on selling about 40% of KASPA, maybe more, 50%, and keeping the rest of KASPA for years to come. And then I'll put it all in Bitcoin, or Bittensor and TAO, I'll put it in Bitcoin as well. So yeah, but that's my Bitcoin. And then we've got like, I'm just going to go through these. Like you can see how small these positions are, mainly because I've lost all my money in it really. Just being transparent with you. Hurt 96%, and that's the downside with crypto. It's stupidly risky. It's all about hype, and you can't really go off much fundamentals with crypto. And that's the one thing I'll say to you guys, is just be very careful with crypto. But you can also make loads of money, but you've got to just be careful. And yeah, but I'm pretty much break even on my portfolio after all of that, showing you, even with KASPA being down. I'm pretty much break even on the total profit and loss. I'm up like 1.4%. So my crypto portfolio just hasn't really moved, to be honest with you. It's gone down a lot since my previous portfolio video, hence why I wanted to show you. And that's why I want to be transparent. I still want to be transparent with, even when there's been downturns. But yeah, I've got $28,945. We're going to refresh it. It's going to be more. No, it's gone down. That's quite funny. So we're still break even though. But yeah, that's my portfolio in the crypto portfolio really. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're brand new, because I do stock market portfolio updates as well, so check them out. Give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.